Okay, so remember that video a couple months ago about my new cats? They're really small. They were. Well, okay, you might think that this is Oliver. Well, it isn't. This is the cat that hates me. No. But here they are. Look how big they've gotten. This is Oliver. This is Milo. Yeah, I just built them a little playhouse, I guess you'd call it. Get the other one. She's the oldest. Oh, Jax. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to do a quick update on the cats. 8 months later. Yeah. Just Milo, so cute. Come here, buddy. Oh, Milo. Come here. Yeah. He headbutted the camera. Hey, DP. Milo. Hi, buddy. Hi. Aww. This is the cute thing he does. He'll just lay on you. Yeah. Oh, when he's snuggling. DP. Kelly, Ellie, Ellie. Her real name's Callie, but she's really like, you know, like dumb. So we call her Deepy or Derpy. But when I was a little kid, I tried to spell her name and I spelled Deepy. So Derpy. So yeah. Yeah. Hi, Milo. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. He says hi. Where's Oliver? Oliver! Deepy, what'd you do? Just joking, you didn't do anything. Deepy! Oh, Milo. So, yeah. It's my cats. Oh, you little, monster. Yeah, oh. Anyway, yeah, see ya. Next video, which will probably be the Google Translate one. I don't know when I'm gonna record it though. Peace.